Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch touchscreen special Android 8.0 system special for Toyota Sienna 2010 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this front panel. This reset hole, microphone, DVD slot, front USB SD card slot, two SD card slots, 1, 2. Okay, special for Toyota Sienna. Okay, it comes with USB cable connect back head units. This is front mini USB. Front mini USB you can connect is this position. Okay. It comes with external microphone and GPS antenna. This is screw install. Okay. This is audio combo. This subwoofer. This audio combo connect back of head units. Okay. It comes with the Toyota harness, special Toyota harness. This connect the head unit, the two connector, and this radio antenna. Okay, there are these 3 connector special for Toyota. Let me check this power. This power is ACC and 12 voltage. Okay, and this connect speaker. Okay, this connect steering wheel control. And this connector. Okay, there are 4 connectors special for your car. You can check. Okay. Radio antenna. This is radio antenna. Okay. It also comes with this video out. Support video out, video in and video out. You can check this video, AV out 1 and AV out 2. AV out 2, AV out 1, video out. Okay, other is this camera in RCA type. Okay, that's all. Let me introduce the head units. Okay. Let me check the system. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. You can choose the time or choose Belsee logo. You can change this button color. Sorry, this button color is blue, doesn't can be changed. You can change the theme color with blue, with red, with green. Any color you can adjust on this panel. Okay. Also can choose the Toyota logo. This Toyota logo. Okay. Okay, let me show the internet. It supports Google Voice command. Toyota. Toyota. Let me try. New York. Let me open our website. Sorry, for there is a problem because I do not connect the SSR. Doesn't visit Google Voice or Google service. Okay, let's run. Let me try again. Toyota. Okay, it will search the Toyota automatically.
According to Wikipedia, Toyota Motor Corporation, usually shortened to Toyota, is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota, Aichi, Japan.
Okay. Let me search Belsee. You can put the belsee.com, belsee.com. This is our official website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us by visit our website. Okay. Okay. Let me check the navigation. It's already built the Google Maps. It also supports voice command. New York. It will show the New York automatically. Okay, it shows the New York. You can touch control. Okay, let me show the music. Here is mini front USB. Connect USB port. This is USB driver. Connect with USB. Okay.
Baby, this is what you get.
Sorry, let me check it. Okay.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like for the price of a smile. I gotta take it.
I already connect the small speaker. Okay, let me show the dual screen. It will run the Google navigation and the music at the same time. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can check this pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8. Please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone at first. Click search button. You will get the Galaxy S8 Plus. Sorry. Click pair button. You will get command put the 40. Okay, it's changed color and connect show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay. Let me show the video. It supports 4K and some 4K demo video. It supports play 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, thank you.